Welcome to our journey into the world of vaccines and immunotherapy. Vaccines have revolutionized medicine, saving millions of lives by preventing deadly diseases. But how do they work? In this video, we'll explore the science behind vaccines, how they train our immune system, and the exciting field of immunotherapy. Whether you're curious about how vaccines protect us or want to understand the latest advances in medical science, you're in the right place. Let's start by understanding the basics of immunity and why vaccines are such a powerful tool in modern healthcare. Immunity is our body's natural defense against harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Our immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that recognizes and destroys these threats. When we encounter a pathogen for the first time, our immune system learns to fight it. This memory helps us respond faster if we meet the same pathogen again. Vaccines take advantage of this process by teaching our immune system to recognize specific diseases without causing illness. This is the foundation of how vaccines keep us safe. Vaccines work by introducing a harmless part of a pathogen, such as a protein or a weakened virus, into our body. This doesn't make us sick, but it does trigger our immune system to respond. Our body creates antibodies and memory cells that remember how to fight the real pathogen if we ever encounter it. This means we're protected from the disease without having to get sick first. It's like giving our immune system a practice run, so it's ready for the real thing. There are several types of vaccines, each designed to protect us in different ways. Some use inactivated or killed viruses, while others use live but weakened forms. There are also subunit vaccines, which use only parts of the virus, and mRNA vaccines, which teach our cells to make a harmless piece of the pathogen. Each type has its own advantages and is chosen based on the disease being targeted. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the science and safety behind vaccines. History of vaccines dates back over 2 centuries. Edward Jenner is often credited with creating the first vaccine in 1796, using material from cowpox to protect against smallpox. Since then, vaccines have been developed for many diseases including polio, measles, and influenza. These breakthroughs have led to the eradication or control of deadly illnesses, transforming public health worldwide. The story of vaccines is one of scientific discovery and global cooperation. Developing a vaccine is a complex and careful process. Scientists start by studying the disease and identifying the best way to trigger an immune response. Then they create and test the vaccine in the lab, followed by animal studies. Human trials are conducted in several phases to ensure safety and effectiveness. Only after passing rigorous testing is a vaccine approved for public use. This process can take years, but it ensures that vaccines are both safe and effective. Vaccine safety is a top priority for scientists and health authorities. Before a vaccine is approved, it goes through multiple rounds of testing to check for side effects and effectiveness. Even after approval, vaccines are continuously monitored for safety. Side effects are usually mild, like a sore arm or low fever, and serious reactions are extremely rare. The benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks, making vaccines one of the safest medical interventions. Herd immunity occurs when enough people in a community are immune to a disease, making it spread unlikely. This protects those who can't be vaccinated, such as newborns or people with certain medical conditions. Vaccines are key to achieving herd immunity, as they reduce the number of people who can catch and spread the disease. This collective protection is essential for controlling outbreaks and keeping communities safe. Despite overwhelming evidence, some myths about vaccines persist. Common misconceptions include the idea that vaccines cause the diseases they prevent or that they contain harmful ingredients. In reality, vaccines are thoroughly tested and monitored for safety. They do not cause autism or overload the immune system. Addressing these myths with facts is important to maintain public trust and ensure high vaccination rates. Immunotherapy is an exciting field that uses the body's own immune system to fight diseases, especially cancer. Unlike vaccines, which prevent illness, immunotherapy helps treat existing conditions by boosting or directing immune responses. This approach has led to new treatments for cancers, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. Immunotherapy is a rapidly growing area of medicine, offering hope for patients with conditions that were once difficult to treat. There are several types of immunotherapy, each working in different ways. Some therapies use antibodies to target cancer cells, while others stimulate the immune system to attack disease. There are also treatments that help the immune system recognize and destroy abnormal cells. Each type of immunotherapy is tailored to the specific disease and patient, making it a personalized approach to medicine. Cancer immunotherapy has transformed cancer treatment in recent years. By harnessing the power of the immune system, doctors can target and destroy cancer cells more precisely. Treatments like checkpoint inhibitors and CAR-T cell therapy have shown remarkable results in some patients. While not every cancer responds to immunotherapy, ongoing research is expanding its use and improving outcomes for many people. Allergy immunotherapy helps people with severe allergies by gradually exposing them to small amounts of the allergen. Over time, this trains the immune system to tolerate the substance, reducing allergic reactions. This treatment can be given as shots or under-the-tongue tablets. Allergy immunotherapy is especially helpful for people with pollen, dust mite, or insect sting allergies. Immunotherapy is also used to treat autoimmune diseases where the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Treatments aim to suppress or modify the immune response, reducing symptoms and preventing damage. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis can be managed more effectively with these therapies, improving quality of life for many patients. Monoclonal antibodies are lab-made proteins that mimic the immune system's ability to fight disease. They can be designed to target specific cells, such as cancer or virus-infected cells. These therapies are used in cancer treatment, autoimmune diseases, and even some infections. Monoclonal antibodies represent a powerful tool in modern medicine, offering targeted and effective treatment options. Checkpoint inhibitors are a type of immunotherapy that help the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells. Normally, checkpoints prevent the immune system from attacking healthy cells. Cancer cells can exploit these checkpoints to avoid detection. By blocking these checkpoints, inhibitors allow immune cells to target and destroy cancer more effectively. This approach has led to breakthroughs in treating certain cancers. RT cell therapy is a cutting-edge form of immunotherapy. Doctors collect a patient's own immune cells, modify them in the lab to better recognize cancer, and then return them to the body. These engineered cells can seek out and destroy cancer cells with remarkable precision. CAR-T therapy has shown impressive results in some blood cancers and is being studied for other types as well. While both vaccines and immunotherapy involve the immune system, they serve different purposes. Vaccines are designed to prevent diseases by training the immune system in advance. Immunotherapy, on the other hand, is used to treat existing diseases by boosting or redirecting immune responses. Both approaches are essential in modern medicine, offering prevention and treatment for a wide range of conditions. COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the importance of vaccines. Scientists developed several COVID-19 vaccines in record time, using new technologies like mRNA. These vaccines have saved countless lives and helped control the spread of the virus. The rapid development and deployment of COVID-19 vaccines is a testament to scientific collaboration and innovation. mRNA vaccines represent a breakthrough in vaccine technology. Instead of using parts of a virus, they use genetic instructions to teach our cells how to make a harmless piece of the virus. This triggers an immune response without using live virus. mRNA vaccines are quick to develop and can be adapted for new diseases, making them a powerful tool for future outbreaks. Vaccines have had a profound impact on global health. Diseases like smallpox have been eradicated, and others like polio are close to elimination. Childhood vaccination programs have saved millions of lives and prevented lifelong disabilities. The success of vaccines demonstrates the power of science and public health working together to protect communities worldwide. Despite their benefits, not everyone has equal access to vaccines. Barriers include cost, distribution challenges, and misinformation. Efforts are underway to improve vaccine access in low-income countries and remote areas. Addressing these challenges is crucial to achieving global health goals and protecting everyone from preventable diseases. Vaccine hesitancy is a growing concern in many parts of the world. Some people are reluctant to get vaccinated due to fears, misinformation, or lack of trust in authorities. Public health campaigns and education are essential to address these concerns and encourage vaccination. Building trust and providing accurate information can help overcome hesitancy and protect communities. Future of vaccines is bright, with new technologies and approaches on the horizon. Scientists are developing vaccines for diseases like HIV, malaria, and even some cancers. Advances in genetic engineering and personalized medicine are making vaccines more effective and accessible. Ongoing research promises to expand the reach and impact of vaccines in the years to come. Personalized vaccines are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup or disease profile. This approach is especially promising for cancer treatment, where vaccines can be designed to target specific tumor markers. Personalized vaccines represent a new frontier in medicine, offering more precise and effective protection or treatment for patients. Emerging diseases like Zika, Ebola, and new strains of influenza pose ongoing challenges. Scientists are working to develop vaccines quickly in response to outbreaks. Rapid vaccine development and deployment are essential for controlling these threats and preventing global health crises. The lessons learned from recent pandemics are shaping the way we respond to future outbreaks. Immunization schedules are carefully designed to provide protection at the right times in life. Children receive vaccines at specific ages to build immunity before they are exposed to dangerous diseases. Adults may need booster shots or vaccines for travel. Following recommended schedules ensures the best protection for individuals and communities. Traveling to certain countries may require special vaccines to protect against diseases not common at home. These vaccines help prevent illnesses like yellow fever, typhoid, and hepatitis. It's important to check vaccine requirements before traveling and get vaccinated in advance. Travel vaccines keep both travelers and local populations safe. Childhood vaccination is one of the most effective ways to protect children from serious diseases. Vaccines prevent illnesses like measles, mumps, rubella, and whooping cough. Immunizing children not only keeps them healthy but also helps protect others by reducing the spread of disease. Vaccination is a key part of a healthy start in life. Adults also need vaccines to stay healthy. Some vaccines, like the flu shot or tetanus booster, are recommended throughout life. Others may be needed for specific situations such as travel or underlying health conditions. Staying up to date with adult vaccinations helps prevent illness and protects vulnerable populations. Older adults are at higher risk for certain diseases, making vaccination especially important. Vaccines like the flu shot, shingles vaccine, and pneumonia vaccine help protect seniors from serious illness. Keeping up with recommended vaccines can improve quality of life and reduce hospitalizations among the elderly. Vaccination during pregnancy protects both mother and baby. Some vaccines like the flu shot and Tdap are recommended to prevent serious infections. These vaccines help pass immunity to the baby, offering protection in the first months of life. It's important for pregnant women to talk to their healthcare provider about recommended vaccines. Most vaccine side effects are mild and temporary, such as soreness at the injection site or a low-grade fever. Serious side effects are extremely rare. Monitoring systems are in place to track and investigate any unusual reactions. The benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks, making vaccines a safe choice for most people. Vaccines contain ingredients that help them work and keep them safe. These include antigens, which trigger the immune response, and adjuvants, which boost effectiveness. Other ingredients like preservatives and stabilizers ensure vaccines remain safe and effective during storage. All ingredients are carefully tested for safety. Proper storage and handling are essential to keep vaccines effective. Vaccines must be kept at specific temperatures and protected from light. Healthcare workers are trained to store and transport vaccines safely. Following these guidelines ensures that vaccines provide the best possible protection when administered. Keeping accurate vaccine records is important for individuals and healthcare providers. Records help track which vaccines have been received and when boosters are needed. Digital records and vaccine passports are becoming more common, making it easier to access and share vaccination history when needed. Ongoing research is driving innovation in vaccines and immunotherapy. Scientists are exploring new delivery methods such as nasal sprays and patches to make vaccines easier to administer. Research into universal vaccines aims to provide protection against multiple strains of a disease. Innovation is key to staying ahead of evolving health threats. Public health organizations play a vital role in vaccine distribution and education. They coordinate vaccination campaigns, monitor disease outbreaks, and provide accurate information to the public. Their efforts ensure that vaccines reach those who need them most and help maintain high vaccination rates for community protection. International collaboration is essential for vaccine development and distribution. Organizations like the World Health Organization and Gavi work with countries around the world to ensure vaccines are available to everyone. Sharing knowledge, resources, and technology accelerates progress and helps control global health threats. Some countries and organizations require certain vaccines for school, work, or travel. Vaccine mandates help protect public health by ensuring high vaccination rates. While mandates can be controversial, they are an important tool for preventing outbreaks and protecting vulnerable populations. Vaccination raises important ethical questions, such as balancing individual rights with community protection. Public health policies aim to respect personal choice while ensuring the safety of all. Open dialogue and transparent decision-making help address ethical concerns and build public trust in vaccination programs. Effective communication is key to successful vaccination programs. Clear, accurate information helps people make informed decisions about vaccines. Addressing concerns and answering questions builds confidence and encourages participation. Communication strategies include public campaigns, social media, and direct conversations with healthcare providers. Immunotherapy can cause side effects which vary depending on the treatment. Some people experience mild symptoms like fatigue or skin reactions, while others may have more serious effects. Doctors monitor patients closely and adjust treatment as needed. Understanding potential side effects helps patients make informed choices about their care. Vaccines and immunotherapy demonstrate the power of prevention and treatment in modern medicine. By harnessing the immune system, we can prevent deadly diseases and treat conditions that were once untreatable. Ongoing research and innovation promise even greater advances in the future. Together, vaccines and immunotherapy are shaping a healthier world for everyone. As we conclude our exploration of vaccines and immunotherapy, it's clear that these medical advances have transformed healthcare. From preventing infectious diseases to treating cancer and autoimmune conditions, the impact is profound. Continued research, education, and global cooperation will ensure that vaccines and immunotherapy remain at the forefront of medicine, protecting and improving lives for generations to come.